Hey, what's up everybody? I've been working on an LED sign and doing a lot of soldering, and it gets a lot of smoke in the air, and I want to keep that away from my family, but also don't want to have to be forever away from them. So I wanted to get something to help pull some of the smoke and stuff out of the air so I can be a little bit closer, at least at a table where they can see me. I got this thing, it had pretty good reviews, so I figured I'd give it a shot too. Just really a table top size air filter type thing for specifically for soldering. For me, it's actually been working pretty well. I'll go ahead and give you a quick demo and show you around it a bit. So really simple on the side, on-off switch. It does have a heavy-duty cord, so that's good. It's a little loud, so you can hear it. Listen. See, I'm sure you can hear it. So it is loud, but it does do a pretty decent job at what it's supposed to do. So to just get you the demo, I'm not gonna actually solder anything. I'm just gonna burn some solder so you can see the smoke that it makes. So I'm already heated up here. You can see as I burn my solder, it's pulling all of that smoke away from me. So I'm not breathing it directly in my face. And something I want to show you too, just so you can see, because you might wonder, well, where's the smoke going? Is it coming out of the back? For me, I'm going to turn it to the side so you can see right out of the back here. Hopefully you can. So watch, as I burn the solder, you can see very clearly all of the smoke going into the front side, but you don't see it coming out of the back. So I was actually really impressed by that, because my assumption was that, okay, well, I'm going to burn solder, there's going to be smoke, and this thing is just going to blow it out of the back. But I'm not seeing it. So to me, I think it seems like it really is doing a good job at what it's advertised to do. I've trusted using it, and I do recommend it really for anybody who's going to be sitting around soldering for any reason.